The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is officially in the FCC database, which means the much-anticipated drone is closer than ever. Along with this official filing, trusted leaker OsitaLV has unveiled key features that might redefine what we expect from consumer and professional drones alike. Let's unpack everything from the potential release date to its standout features and how it could reshape the industry. DJI has a track record of launching products shortly after they appear in the FCC database. If they follow the same pattern, the Mavic 4 Pro could hit shelves by late 2024 or early 2025. However, some insiders suggest DJI might expedite the launch to avoid complications from potential US trade regulations or tariffs. Releasing the Mavic 4 Pro earlier could help the company avoid delays or increased costs for its customers. The FCC filing mentions two distinct models, L3A and L3B. While their differences remain unclear, the listed battery specs are eye-catching. The Mavic 4 Pro will feature a 95.3 watt-hour battery with a 6,654 mAh capacity, an upgrade from the Mavic 3's 90.4 watt-hour and 5,870 mAh battery. This means users can expect longer flight times, better performance, and potentially enhanced stability. Renowned drone insider OsitaLV has spilled the beans on some exciting new features, including upgrades that could appeal to both hobbyists and professionals. A live flight assist display, paired with a map view, will use the visual inertial odometry camera for enhanced navigation and situational awareness. This could be a game-changer for both novice and advanced pilots. RTK positioning ensures ultra-precise location tracking, which is usually reserved for DJI's industrial drones like the Mavic series. Including RTK in the Mavic 4 Pro will make it a strong choice for professionals working in mapping, surveying, and other fields requiring accuracy. A Cine premium version of the Mavic 4 Pro will reportedly include 2 TB of built-in SSD storage, making it ideal for creators who shoot in high resolution and don't want to interrupt their workflow by swapping out storage devices. DJI users have long requested improvements in this area, and this model seems tailored to address those needs. The Mavic 4 Pro's camera will reportedly offer 14 stops of dynamic range, making it a dream for filmmakers and photographers. This feature ensures better image quality, even in tricky lighting conditions, giving creators more flexibility during post-production. Taking a cue from DJI's Mavic 30 series, the Mavic 4 Pro will support dual controllers. This allows 2 operators to control the drone simultaneously, perfect for complex shoots where one operator can focus on flying while the other handles the camera. The drone will include a triple visual positioning system, which enhances stability and safety during flights, especially in environments with poor GPS signals. The gimbal will feature an impressive tilt range from -90 degrees to +80 degrees, offering greater creative freedom for capturing unique angles. These rumored features could make the Mavic 4 Pro a versatile powerhouse for professionals and enthusiasts alike. RTK support is a significant addition for industries like mapping and surveying, while the Cine Premium version with 2 TB of storage will cater to content creators who need uninterrupted recording capabilities. Filmmakers will especially benefit from the 14 stops of dynamic range, which ensures top-tier image quality in diverse lighting scenarios. DJI has also addressed some common complaints from the Mavic 3, like slow data transfer speeds on the Cine model, which could make the new generation even more appealing. With these features, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be a serious contender in the high-end drone market. While the Mavic 4 Pro is sure to come with a higher price tag, the advanced features it offers, like RTK, a 2 TB SSD, and improved dynamic range, could justify the cost for professionals and serious hobbyists. Are these features enough to make the Mavic 4 Pro worth its likely premium price? Which of these rumored upgrades excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. For more updates on the latest drones and tech, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.